Yeah, so it was a little bit of two reasons why we started getting out of the city of Chicago and Cook County. A lot of our clients, for tax reasons and just other reasons, political reasons, were getting out of the city. Um, so we were following our clients, and then we were also noticing that there just wasn't as much competition. So we could take our SVN approach of an international company to these private, mom and pop shops is what we call them in the industry. Um, Private clients and say, hey, we'll give you like a class A type of marketing approach. We'll get it out to the whole market. We'll create a bigger field, which is going to create, more value for you and your property. And there's just less competition out there. So we started making our names out in secondary, tertiary markets. And we've really streamlined our approach to how we're doing that. There's three people on our team now, Reed, myself, and we have he's not, I wouldn't really consider him a junior anymore. He's been with us for 2 years. His name's Dan Short. So what we do is we take A, B, and C's. We group everybody in our prospects into A's, B's, or C's. Everybody has 108 clients. Those are the guys that are actively doing deals. They are trading. They're buying, they're selling, mostly buying. And each of us have 100 of those guys. Those are the guys you have a really good relationship. They pick up the phone every time, and you want to do business with them. Then we have another group that we call our Bs, which are everybody's supposed to have 300 Bs. And the 300 Bs are guys that maybe not have as many properties as the A's or just aren't as active as the A's, so you don't need to be reaching out to them and talking to them as much. And once you have 400 guys in basically your Rolodex, what we do is our systematic approach is you're calling your A's every month. You're talking to them every month. Hey, how's it going? And we have scripted approaches if you need those. But most of those guys we've been talking to, we've been those 15, 20 years. It's more of a follow up just to see how they're doing, see if there's anything that we can provide, be a resource to them to help what they're trying to accomplish. The B's we're reaching out to quarterly. So the way that we look at that is if you're hitting 400 people and there's three of us, we're hitting 1,200 people every quarter. We should be able to have a pretty strengthy, and a strong pipeline and continued business. So that's kind of our systematic approach to how we prospect and how we really drive our pipeline.